Morning, respected professor, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Ganesh Murad Sixth. Today I am very happy to present our science project on smoke sensor alarm system. Fire accidents are one of the most dangerous disasters in homes, schools, hospitals, and every industries. Many lives and valuable properties are lost due to fire accidents every year. Most fires start with small smoke that is not noticed immediately, so early detection of smoke is very important to prevent big disasters. My project is designed to detect smoke at an early stage and give an immediate warning. The small uses of smoking sensor are called MQ2 sensor. The MQ2 sensor can detect smoke or harmful gases like LPG and methane. It works on the principle of gas detection. And I will explain how it works. There is no smoke near the sensor. The air was around it is clean. The sensor remains the normal condition and the budget stays off. But when smoke or harmful gases come near the sensor, the sensor detects smoke in the air. Due to this detection, it sends a signal to the circuit and the buzzer immediately the buzzer ringing and yellow light glow. This alert help people take quick action and prevent major damage. This type of smoke detection system is used in homes, offices, hospitals, factories, or shopping malls. The advantages of this project are: it gives early warning, it helps prevent fire accidents, it is simple and low cost, it saves lives and property. In future, this system can be improved, but connecting into automatic water sprinkler, fire alarm, and mobile notification system. Advanced smoke sensors are used in smart buildings and industries. Through this project, we learn how science and technology helps in disaster detection, management of safety. Even a small scientific device for science for safety and protecting people. Science is not only for experiments, but it also helps us in real life. My project shows how science helps in safety and protecting people. Thank you for giving me this wonderful